Hey, what's up, my beloved viewers? Today, I will be presenting a fun little math project made by Group 8, none other lecture class ES3. What we have here today is an enjoyable and efficient approach to emphasize trigonometric concepts to real-world applications in mechanical engineering. Fields via comic strips, engaging video games. With this approach, students of all ages can understand meaningful applications of mathematics and its role in creating positive impact. Now you may ask, what is our objective and goals in making this project? Well, it is simple. We would like to make a change, big or small, to shape future quality engineers by implementing trigonometric concepts through fun and light comic that is easy understandable for all ages. Now, it is important for us to ensure our reader fully understands the importance of math in the real-world situation. So we have kindly included an online game to strengthen the understanding of readers and hopefully create a positive impact in their lives. We also aim to achieve the goal of quality education in the industry, innovation, and infrastructure with this comic as stated in the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals as known as SDG. Now, the moment you all have been waiting for, I will be presenting of our masterpiece of a comic in 3, 2, 1. Well, our title for our comic is Application of Trigonometry in Mechanical Engineering, using the angles using the sine bar. Well, just for a short summary, we all start as Azmir, a young mechanical engineering student. He's working in UTP workshop. He needs to measure the precise angle of the weight shift machine component. He first uses a protractor, but realizes it's not accurate enough. So, seeing Azmir's struggles, senior engineer Alif introduces him into the sine bar and slip gauges, which are precision measuring ball tools used in engineering workshops. So instead of measuring the angles directly, they use trigonometry. By raising one of the sine bar slip gauges, they create right angle triangle using the formula sine theta equal to opposite per hypotenuse, which they calculate the angle accurately with the height and the length they already calculated. They gotten was 150 millimeters. The length is 200 millimeters, and then they get the answer was 0.75 formula, and then they found 48.59, which fully concludes like their answer is absolutely correct. Good morning, everyone. After creating our math comic, we developed an interactive quiz using EduPlay to enhance the learning experience. The main purpose of this game is to help students review and strengthen their understanding of the mathematical concept and engineering applications shown in our comic. Instead of only reading the comic, students can actively participate on answering questions to the story on the concepts introduced. In this quiz, players will answer questions about the characters, the engineering problem, and the tools used, and also the trigonometric calculations involved. For example, some questions test students' understanding of the sine bar, such as the purpose and how it helps engineers to measure angles accurately. Other questions focus on the mathematical concept behind the tool, including the formula sine theta equal to h per L, and the calculation used in our comic where the slip guard height is 100 millimeters and the sine bar length is 200 millimeters, giving a final angle of 30 degrees. The quiz also provides immediate feedback, allowing students to know whether their answers are correct and understand their mistakes. This makes the learning process more interactive compared to the traditional revision methods. Through this game, students are encouraged to apply their knowledge, recall important information, and understand how trigonometry is connected to real-life situations in mechanical engineering applications. Overall, this interactive quiz makes learning more enjoyable while helping students to appreciate how mathematics can be used to solve engineering problems. In conclusion, our group has successfully demonstrated how trigonometry can be applied in real-life mechanical engineering through math comic and interactive EduPlay quiz. We hope our project has shown that mathematics is not only a subject to study in the classroom, but also an essential tool used in engineering and many real-world applications. We would like to thank our lecturer and everyone who listened to our presentation. We also want to thank you all of our group members for their teamwork, creativity, and dedication in completing this project. Once again, thank you very much for your attention. We hope you enjoyed my presentation and our presentation also, and we are happy to answer for any questions. Thank you.